In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select gift box in Uniqlo 2026 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the gift wrapping options on the Uniqlo website and how to add the right gift box to your cart with confidence. First, open your browser and go to the official Uniqlo website. When the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct regional site for your location so prices and availability reflect your area. From the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the cart icon there. Click that to open your shopping cart page. If your cart is empty, that's fine. You can continue from here. Next, select the product you want to send as a gift. Choose the style, size, and color just as you normally would. Add the item to your cart and repeat if you're bundling a few pieces together. When you're done selecting the gift item or items, return to your cart to set up the wrapping. Inside the cart, look for the gift option. This is the section that controls gift wrapping for your order. Click it to expand the choices. You'll see options to select a gift box or bag based on the size of your gift. Uniqlo typically offers several sizes labeled clearly, such as gift bag small, gift bag medium, and gift bag large, all under wrapping service. Choose the size that best fits what's in your cart. As a general guide, small is ideal for compact items like accessories or a single lightweight piece. Medium works well for one or two apparel items, such as a shirt and scarf. Large is suited for bulkier items or multiple garments. If you've added several pieces, think about how they'll sit together so the wrapping isn't overstuffed. Once you've picked the appropriate size, confirm your selection, and then click Apply. This attaches the wrapping service to your cart. You should now see the gift box or bag listed along with your items, often with a small fee shown. Take a moment to review your cart. Ensure the correct size is applied, quantities are accurate, and the total reflects the added wrapping service. That's it. Your gift wrapping is set. If anything looks off, you can return to the gift option and adjust the size before you proceed. Availability and pricing can vary by region and inventory, so if a size is unavailable, try another that still suits your items. When everything looks good, you're ready to continue with the rest of your order, knowing your gift will arrive neatly wrapped.